and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to grow your wealth in 2025? Listen, everyone wants to get rich quick, but the stock market is more like a marathon than a sprint. You're not going to get those crazy returns overnight like you see in those scammy YouTube ads, but with smart, long-term investing, you can actually build some serious wealth. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 growth stocks that have massive potential this year. Whether you're a beginner just starting to invest or you're a seasoned pro, these stocks could take your portfolio to the next level. Let's dive in. First up, we've got Nvidia. Now, you've probably heard of them, right? They're like the LeBron James of graphics cards, absolutely dominating the gaming world. But it's not just about gaming anymore, guys. Nvidia is at the forefront of the AI revolution. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, the stuff that's going to change the world as we know it. And their GPUs? They're the brains behind it all. We're seeing AI explode right now, and Nvidia's chips are powering those self-driving cars, those crazy realistic video games, and even those robots that are going to be making our pizzas in the future. And it's not just me saying this. Nvidia's been crushing their earnings reports, blowing past analysts' expectations. Plus, they've been locking down some major partnerships with tech giants. I mean, when you've got companies like Google and Microsoft lining up to work with you, you know you're doing something right. Next up is Tesla, and no, this isn't just about Elon Musk tweeting memes and trying to colonize Mars. Okay, maybe it's a little bit about that, but seriously, Tesla is so much more than just a car company at this point. Forget electric cars for a second, we're talking about a full-blown energy and tech giant in the making. I mean, they're building solar roofs, they've got their Powerwall battery system for homes, and they're even developing those self-driving robo-taxis that everyone's talking about. They're literally building the future. And while their stock price can be a bit of a roller coaster ride, let's be real, Tesla's always pushing the boundaries, and that kind of innovation, that's what leads to massive growth in the long run. Now let's talk about a company that's a little bit more under the radar, Palantir Technologies. You might not have heard of them, but trust me, they're doing some seriously cool stuff. Basically, Palantir specializes in big data analytics. Think of them like the Sherlock Holmes of the data world. They take massive amounts of information, and I mean massive, and they use their super sophisticated software to find patterns, make connections, and extract valuable insights. We're talking about next-level data analysis here. And who's using their software? Well, everyone from government agencies to major corporations. And as the world becomes more and more data-driven, Palantir is in a prime position to capitalize on that trend. Next, we've got the one and only Amazon. I mean, who hasn't ordered something from Amazon at this point, right? But here's the thing, Amazon's not just about selling you everything under the sun. Sure, their e-commerce business is massive, but we need to talk about Amazon Web Services, or AWS for short. This is their cloud computing division, and it's absolutely dominating the market. We're talking about the backbone of the internet here. Companies of all sizes rely on AWS to power their websites, store their data, and run their applications. And the best part? AWS is a cash cow for Amazon, generating billions in revenue. But they're not stopping there. Amazon's also investing heavily in artificial intelligence and logistics automation, so they're not just staying ahead of the curve, they're creating it. Last but definitely not least, we've got CrowdStrike. Now, with all the data breaches and cyber attacks happening these days, cybersecurity is more important than ever, right? And that's where CrowdStrike comes in. They're the superheroes of the cybersecurity world, protecting businesses and organizations from those nasty hackers. What sets CrowdStrike apart is their AI-driven platform. They use machine learning to detect and stop threats in real time, even those super sneaky ones that traditional antivirus software might miss. And as cyber attacks become more sophisticated, CrowdStrike is constantly innovating and staying one step ahead. Their client base is growing like crazy, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. So there you have it, guys, my top 5 growth stocks to watch in 2025. These aren't just trendy picks, these are companies that are shaping the future. From AI and cloud computing to cybersecurity and electric vehicles, these stocks offer incredible growth potential for long-term investors. But remember, I'm just a YouTuber, not a financial advisor, so please do your research, talk to a professional, and make sure these investments align with your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Now, Which of these stocks are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.